All right, so many people have been asking me how I was able to create this video.
Hold on, right?
Yeah, so the truth is that this particular video you saw, I generated the prompt using ChatGPT. This is why I always tell you guys that in whatever you are doing, ChatGPT is so essential, right? It's so important. You need ChatGPT in most of the things you are doing, right? So let me show you how I was able to generate this prompt for this video using ChatGPT. All right, so first thing first, this is the picture we are going to be using for this tutorial. Then once you got your picture, you have to go to ChatGPT and type something like this: give me 6 seconds prompt for AI automation where two people are fighting and Spider-Man came to separate them. Right now, ChatGPT is going to give me this prompt. It's going to give me a prompt using this particular command I gave. Right. Okay, now this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me. You see? Yeah, busy outdoor market stuff. Now next thing I have to do is just to copy this particular prompt. Right, let me copy it. Okay, if you want, you can add both cinematic, realistic and everything, but I don't need it, so I just have to end it in fight. Right, the fight. So now after copying it, go to Play Store or Apple Store and download this particular Grok app, because that's what we are going to be using to generate the AI video. Right, then once you have done that, open it and paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. Right, then use the picture above. Right, so we will use that picture, the picture I showed you in the beginning. Right, we are going to use the picture above, busy something. Then I have to add the picture and click on send. Right, so it will use this picture to generate the thing I wrote, the command I wrote on this prompt. Right, so yeah, so do you see? Now the sweetest thing about this particular app is that it's going to give you two different videos. Right, then you choose the one you want. It's going to give you two different videos. You choose the one you want. So okay, let me play one so you can see.
Hey, not so fast.
All right, so that's it. This is how to create the AI video. All right, so for those of you that want to go into YouTube automation, that's AI automation, right, this app is the best app for you to use. Right, but the only problem is that the video is usually 6 seconds long. Right, 6 seconds long. So all you have to do is, if you want, you can generate up to 10 videos, right, 10 different videos or 20 videos, then use CapCut to compile all of them. Right, but this is how I was able to create my AI video using this Grok app. So you can get the Grok app on Play Store or Apple Store, anyone you are using. Right, so in my next video I'll also show you where you can generate AI pictures, right, even AI videos, other apps you can use to generate, and other websites you can use to generate both AI videos, AI voice, all of it. For those of you that want to go into YouTube automation, right, you can use ChatGPT to do all this, right, without zero stress, with zero stress. Right, so that's it. Peace and love.